Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yes! Ano daw?
Meron ako special something for Maricel. Alright? Is my music ready?
Yeah.
Let's hit it. Come on, let's do it. Palakpak naman dyan. Ayun o! Ang hina ng palakpak. I'm only one. I'm there to see. Oh, yeah. Superman, fit on me. I'm only one. All the way. Call me baby when you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you to take a chance. But now we can stay here for a while. I'm only one. All the way. Your hands, come on. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and take a chance. Small set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me can make it in. You win. For now, we can stay here for a while. Cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. But stay with me. You know we're not alone. I'm on sabay-sabay! Call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I wanna be holding on. So don't you worry, be strong, darling. And when all hope is gone, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one. I'm only one. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to see the day. Happy birthday, Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. I'm only one call away. Happy birthday! Maricel, can you have maybe a few messages for everyone?
Speechless. Actually, gumanti siya kasi last time nung birthday niya ng July, so ako yung kumanta sa kanya. Ngayon siya naman yung kumanta sa akin. Natandaan mo? Ayun, sa Paranaque yun sa house niya. And then, unang-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat po ng umaten ngayong gabi. Actually, kanina po, kasi di ba alam niyo naman po maulan. Malakas po ang ulan. So, nagdadalawang isip na po talaga ako kung ipupush through ko ba to o ika-cancel. Kasi sabi ko, alam ko, kasi madami po ako ini-expect talaga. Ano ko nga sabi ko baka hindi magkasya sila dito lahat dyan pa. Kaso, mga nag-express na, nag-PM, nag-text, nag-call, sa lakas ng ulan, hindi kami makakarating, grupo-grupo sila. Ayun. So, sabi nga nila, kahit anong mangyari, the show must go on. The show must go on. So, ayun, no choice. Tuloy na sabi ko, once a year lang naman itong birthday.
Eh, marami nagmamahal sa'yo, eh. Oh.
Yeah!
That's why, despite the rains,
Salamat po sa lahat
everybody
ng
came.
umattend. Aside from sa mga taga Marikina, alam ko marami pa pong pumunta from Bulacan, Caloocan, Quezon City, Mandaluyong, saka, saan pa ba? Yun, may taga Kogyo pa. So, talagang, syempre sa dami po na naiikot ko talaga.
Alright.
Napatunayan ko po na marami may nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes!
Aside from Marikina, kasi taga Marikina po ako eh. Ayaw po. So, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat sa inyo.
Hindi pa tayo tapos, di ba?
Hindi po. Kilala niyo na po kung sino kayo. Nagkaka-PM naman tayo, nagkaka-chat lahat, nagkaka-call. So, thank you so much. Actually po, ang birthday ko talaga sa 22, sa Tuesday. November 22.
Yeah.
Since 19 po ngayon Saturday, so ngayon po ako nagpa-event. Gusto ko pong dalhin sa inyo. First time na nagsama si Joshua Zamora, saka si Ron Antonio dito pa sa Marikina. Dinala ko po dito sa Marikina. And syempre, together with the 22 best of the best,
Tawagan natin si Joshua on stage.
22 best of the
Boss
best
Joshua,
all
come
week
up.
and dance fitness instructors.